Most modern truck engines are more advanced than ever, but there's one Silverado engine mechanics still trust more than anything else on the road today.
And what surprises most people is that it's not the newest engine, and it's actually an older design that continues to outlast newer, more expensive trucks.
We're talking about the Silverado 5.3 V8, especially the earlier versions before engines became more complex and heavily dependent on advanced efficiency systems.
Ask experienced mechanics, and most of them will tell you the same thing, that these engines just keep going longer than people expect.
Not because they're perfect, but because they were built with a level of simplicity that modern engines simply don't have anymore. Fewer systems, fewer components under stress, and fewer points of failure that can break down over time with normal daily use. That's why you still see these engines reaching 250,000, even 300,000 miles without major internal engine repairs. While some newer engines begin showing serious problems much earlier, even when owners believe they're following all recommended maintenance schedules. But here's what most people don't fully understand about why this happens.
It's not just about the engine itself, it's about what changed in the way newer engines are designed and built. Modern engines are designed with efficiency as a priority, which introduces systems that increase performance but also increase long-term risk.
Systems like cylinder deactivation constantly change how the engine operates, creating additional stress inside critical internal components over time.
And over time, that extra complexity leads to more wear, more potential failures, and more expensive problems when something eventually goes wrong.
Because when these systems fail, they're not simple fixes. They often involve deeper internal issues that cost much more to repair.
Older 5.3 engines didn't rely on that level of complexity, which is a big reason why they continue to last longer.
They were designed with durability in mind first, and efficiency came second, which changes everything in long-term reliability.
That's why so many of these engines are still running strong today, even after years of regular use and high mileage. But that doesn't mean every 5.3 engine is automatically reliable, and that's where many people misunderstand things.
Because there's a clear difference between the ones that last and the ones that develop problems early.
And that difference usually comes down to maintenance habits, usage patterns, and which specific version of the engine you're dealing with.
Some years are far more reliable than others, even though they share the same engine name and basic design. And this is where most buyers make mistakes, because they assume all 5.3 engines are exactly the same.
But small differences between years can have a big impact on long-term reliability and ownership costs.
Knowing what to look for can save you thousands of dollars and help you avoid problems before they even start.
And knowing what to avoid can make the difference between a reliable truck and a very expensive mistake. Because once issues begin to appear, repair costs can increase quickly, especially when internal components are involved. But when you get the right version, properly maintained, these engines can easily outlast most vehicles on the road today. That's exactly why experienced mechanics still recommend them, even when newer options are available. Not because they're newer, but because they've already proven themselves over time in real-world conditions.
And if you want to know which Silverado years you should never buy, that's exactly what we're breaking down in the next video.